All right, so always draw a picture, of course. So we've got the picture, which is usually given and numbered. Like I said before, you can extend lines if you need to, number angles if you want to refer to them. If they're not already numbered, that's fine. For this proof, the given is M is parallel to N. If you don't know what that symbol is, you might want to write that down. M is parallel to N, and we want to prove, our goal is to prove that angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. So, given, if I have parallel lines, I should use CAP. CAP states that if I have parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 by CAP. I had parallel lines. If I have parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal. 1 and 5 are corresponding. I chose 1 and 5 because 1 is in the goal. So you would want to choose 1 and 5, or you could have chose 4 and 8, but it doesn't do you any good to pick any of the other angles because you want to get to proving 1 plus 8 is 180. All right. Now I'm stuck. Oh, wait a second. I want to prove, where was that? Prove adds to 180. Use LPP. All right, so I'm going to need to use LPP in my proof. I'm just looking off that poster there. If I want to prove it adds to 180, I got to use LPP. LPP, linear pair postulate. So here we need to work in angle 8. And if you take a look, 5 and 8 are a linear pair. So according to the linear pair postulate, angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180. Now, if I'm stuck, I still don't have my goal, so I keep going. And remember, you're not done until you get to your goal. And I'm stuck, so I'm going to use VAT or substitution. Since I have 1 is equal to... We were stuck, so what we're going to do is use substitution. And angle 5 is equal to angle 1. So where there is angle 5, I can write angle 1. So I get angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees, which is my goal, so I'm now done. All right, so flowchart version, if you would prefer to do that. Most people probably won't want to do paragraph, but feel free. Again, corresponding angle says if I have parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5. We can do that connection because of CAP. So the flowchart kind of works better with the if-then statements. If parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. So I kind of like that. We want to add up to 180, so we're probably going to use LPP. So angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. And that's LPP. Now, I don't have an arrow connecting to it because it just says if you have a linear pair, then they add up to 180. So that's what LPP says. So I don't need anything above that except for a picture. I guess I could draw the picture and then the arrow there. Next is substitution. So we're stuck. We have these two bubbles. In one bubble, I've got an equal sign. So I could go from this bubble, put the angle 1 in there instead of the angle 5 and create myself a new bubble. So angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. Substitution. So I take something out of that bubble, put it into that bubble, create myself a third new bubble. That's substitution. That was my goal, so therefore I am now done.